Hello my fellow eggheads, my name is Liz. Today we're going to be going over how to enable and disable hyper-thread control in your BIOS settings of your Dell. But anyway, let's get on to the repair.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit power and immediately start tapping on F2 to enter the BIOS settings, just like so. Tap, tap, tap. And then it will tell you that it's starting to enter BIOS, as you can see in the upper right hand corner. Now I'm going to navigate down Performance, and then I'm going to click on Hyper-Thread Control, and then from that menu you will see the disable and enable options right here. If I wanted to disable it, I would hit apply, or likewise if I wanted to enable it, then I would just click enabled and hit apply, and then after you hit apply it's saved, so you can go ahead and hit exit. And it's just that simple.
If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.